Hey guys, welcome back. Lord Nino here, bringing you battle 200 out of 200 on the Earth Realm Tower. Alright.
Johnny Cage.
Running the same thing as last time. Okay. Here are my opponents. Level X gear, are you kidding me? No, that's not level X. He has a headband, revolvers, there's the chainsaw. Okay. That's why I keep Divine Argus Cloak, because they all have unblockable gear. Okay. Alright, let's see what we can do to this Night Wolf. What the hell? I don't like you. I don't like you either. Hey! Oh, I don't like you. Nice. Oh no. Okay, Scorpion do something. Actually, I should send in Johnny Cage so he can do something. I don't remember me having black, but okay. I have 4 chances. Jeez. No. So close. He intersected me, doesn't he? Alright. I'm guessing we're gonna do this in 3 tries. Barely did anything to Nightwolf because he tagged out right away.
Fight.
Playing these games with me, Nightwolf. I don't like you. You already tagged out. Okay. Yes. Do that now. More power generation. Come on.
Impressive. Impressive. Impressive.
Nice. Okay. Probably need a third try.
Legend is real. Impressive. Join your feet down.
Nice. Alright, one last try to get Night Wolf.
Fight.
Alright. Jesus, you got the last hit. I'll put this in another video. Yep. That's how to end it.
Legend is real. It's game over, man.
Perfect ending. I did the most damage.
Well done.
Alright. See who we get. I swear to God, if I saw someone. Oh my God. Of course. I only have 10 diamonds maxed out of the 46 that were in there. What kind of crap is this? This is a crappy ass offer. I do not recommend getting this. This is the worst offer there is. There's a 6% chance I would waste my money on a classic rating. 6% chance that I'll get that good ass classic Liu Kang. 3% chance for that Rain character that I love. 85% chance on a fucking diamond. What the hell is that in another room? You showed 3 of these characters on there. I expect like 33% for each and one of them. But nah. Such garbage. Wow. Alright, thank you all for watching. And that was Battle 200. What a shame. Lord Nino out.